Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and glad to subscribe. So guys, Dominic does it again, Dominic Zata. So guys, you know that Dominic has been fighting for herself recently when people keep on bullying her on social media, especially with TikTok. So this time around guys, it's clear Utu Dominic is not afraid to go to a discipline one of a celebrity, whether you're a celebrity or what, Dominic uzokutshela indaba zakho. So guys, this is what happened. Phila Madlongozi went on social media guys, commented on one of posts that Dominic yenzile emtshela about how she shouldn't be doing that, and then Dominic just went off. So guys, Phila commented what your profile is about raising the unemployment rate in South Africa. Now, not funny. Your clapbacks are still classic. Families will go hungry because you get breadwinners fired. So that is after one person pulled Dominic, and Dominic just, as Dominic does researches. So with that, Dominic wa researcher find ukuthi like guy ombulayo ofake a company log and everything. And then like she went on saying like asking the company, "Good, how is this person employed? Because this person is just racist or against indaba yama gay, lama lesbian and everything, the LGBTQ. Yeah. So with that, Dominic, after clapping back at that guy, this is what Phila had to say. So guys, anyway, please do comment below after listening to this video.
Hi, Phila Madlongozi. I'm not sure why you think I am going to listen to a Nepo baby that has failed to break beyond the category of upcoming. You have had success surrounding you your entire life, and somehow you failed to assimilate it in your adulthood. The reason why you don't see the problem with any of the comments that come rushing at me, threatening my life, is because the community that I stand and fight for is the community that you get to tap in and out of when you feel like it. So I want to ask you 3 questions and answer me very fast and very quickly. What have you fought for in your entire very short-lived celebrity life? Nothing. What do you actually do that is very successful? Nothing. What will be your legacy except for the fact that you carry your father's surname? Nothing. So I don't think you then have the credentials to tell me how I should fight and defend myself. Yes, you may be a celebrity, but all your life you've been a celebrity adjacent. Everything that has been given to you has been given to you because you carry a powerful surname, a surname that you've done nothing to build. You should be ashamed of the fact that you are actually fighting me for how I am standing and fighting for myself when my life is being threatened on a daily basis, instead of actually going to the bullies and telling them to stop doing what they are doing. And by the way, all the DMs that you sent me, I don't care for them either. The karma and the things that you're saying are going to come at me, and the bad things that are going to come at me, I don't care for them either. If bad things are going to come at me, they're going to come at me. You are telling me how to fight for myself when you can't even fight for your own career. Let's start with you fighting for something and you being good at something. Then you can come and share the recipe with me, and maybe then I'll listen to you. For now,